1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey guys, Patrick here, BCTV. Just getting here to the Cadillac Kings multi-chapter barbecue, and it looks like they're doing a group photo. So I'm gonna cruise over here. Look at this group here. Here's the whole club. Finally made it over. Hola, hola.
You gotta take a group photo. Afterwards.
Come on, come on.
He's like, yeah. Oh, they're taking a group photo.
You gotta take that group photo. There we go. All right. All right, let's start out with this ambulance here. He's a Lyft driver too. Look at this. Whoops. Yeah. I don't think this one made it. Crazy. There's the builder. And he's got the patina wiped down. This is Amber, 1958. Miller Meteor Futura Duplex Tritone Blue 365 V8. It's one of only 11 known and still have the original paint. So it was at the San Angelo Sanitarium Hospital outside of San Angelo, Texas. It's only survivor of the two vehicles that served the sanitarium. It did so until the late 60s. And this is really cool. So yeah, here we go, as found. Not much different than what you're seeing right now. This belongs to Cadillac Ryan. He's just gone through and he's done the cleanup on it. So let's take a quick look at it. Now we can see, like I said, he did the patina. He's still got the light on it. Nice job on the seat. Beautiful cleanup on the interior. M&M, that is a trip. So yeah, this was the builder. But yeah, Ryan, of course, you know, has put his touch onto it. 58. Ron Rescue Squad. So yeah, this is one of the cool cars that belongs to Mr. Cadillac Ryan. One of a kind here. One of only 11 known to be left. Cadillac Kings. Now, of course, I've forgotten my years from last year. Let's see how close I get. I'm gonna say 61, 62. I'm gonna say 62. Beautiful car. Felicia, baby. Yeah, I'm not gonna call out years unless I know for sure what I'm looking at, because I have forgotten more than I can remember. Nice. Now this is looking like that's 64. That's a Fleetwood. Nice to go right next to it. Let's look at this Fleetwood. Look at that. Nice stitched interior. Center console. Very cool. Yeah, this has been going on since 7:30 this morning. Kind of missed out. Yeah, now you get a better look at the ambulance from here. It's pretty dope. This is Don's car. I believe it's 47. Two-door, great scratch. She loves this car. Really well done. This is her baby. Look at that. We got a 59 right here. Look at this. Velour, baby. Looking comfy. Again, we got here just a little too late. Everybody's gonna start leaving. So, kind of choked. Probably the most iconic of all the Cadillacs. Right next to it, I think this is a 56. Might be a 57. I'm thinking 57. We're just running up and down the road. Yeah, it's a 57. Cliff's got his Model T here. Oh, we got a couple different cars here. Ford with a Jaguar front. What do we have here? Another 6.4. It's pretty sweet. Nice scratch. Beautiful wheels. Wow, look at this interior. Perforated. Looks original. It is. That perforated leather, though. It's crazy it's held up as even to this point. Pretty sweet. This Caddy from Master. This one's a work in progress. Under Grill. Call out the years, guys. Call out the years. I'm thinking 67, maybe 66. Should be like 47. Look at the difference in the roof line and everything. It really changed. It hit the 50s. Very cool. These are my brothers. Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. 47 or?
Oh, 53.
It's a 53. So that's you know, you guys gave me an education last year, and I have a memory like a freaking sieve. You know.
Yeah, if you're around them a lot, you
oh yeah.
get them down.
Great car. 53. Look at that emblem. Nice car. Dagmars too. I love them. Okay, this one's a little later, I believe. Nice patina. Automatic dimmers. Big old bench seats in this sucker. There you go. Very cool. Down the row here now. This, like I said, is the multi-chapter. Four-door here. Like 6.1. Really cool. Sorry, buddy. Ah, look at this, man. This is pretty cool. Check out the faux stainless. Interior. Really nice interior. Parent tails here. Oh yeah, 59. Look at this 59 here. Gorgeous. Having a little starting problem over here, unfortunately. There is a lot of cars here, and the level of the cars this year is incredible. I believe this is 65. I don't have the help I had this year last year. This is just a sweetheart. Another top 10 winner, and pretty obviously why. Real obvious why I got a top 10. Look at the lay down on this sucker. Gorgeous, man.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
We got here about 5 hours too late, but
Yeah,
it's
man.
absolutely beautiful. What year is it again?
65.
It is.
Yep.
Okay, I guess I did.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember my education I got last year.
Right on, man. Right on.
Good to see you. Congrats. Oh man, this thing is sweet. Cool. Oh, hey, I just want to tell you how much I love you and happy National Sun's Day to you, my son. Finishing up the row. Whose work is that? I'm not sure. Don't know the signature. Three. Fleetwood. Bagged out. Nice scratch all the way around. We got cars starting to leave or trying to leave. God, man. You know, it's funny because the tail's shorter on the four-door, and it almost makes the wings a little more dramatic. Look at this interior work. Holy moly. She's gorgeous. Wow. And it's family car. Oh, we're hearing it. It's going. Another 65 right here. No, convertible. That's a good sound. Good deal. Always nice when they start. Starting to roll out now. There's a sweetheart for you. Off we 10. Beautiful stainless roof. We saw that reproduced on another car here. Very cool. Very cool. Coupe de Ville, lake pipes. Take a look at this. Wow. Nice gray interior. No, is it blue? Blue and gray. Velour. Dash topper on it. It's a repaint, 64. Got a 65 next to it. Checked. Looking like original paint. Looking like original interior. That's the thing about these Cadillacs, man. They're all been like just preserved. Beautiful. Try to shade my camera. Got here way too late. I didn't realize it went off a lot earlier than I realized. So we missed the awards, but you know what? We can still grab some great cars. Look at this interior here. Absolutely beautiful. 66. Look at that thing laid out flat. Right next to it, I'm thinking 67. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Great paint. Oh, she's hurt. Nice scratch. Smells beautiful. The car wheel, you don't see those very often. Starting to see more moderns out here now too. But we got to check out this 4070 set, I believe. This one's for sale. There we go, 69. All kinds of stuff going on in here. Joan Damon. There's the name. That's a 69. This was also a 69 over here, so I was incorrect. Okay, so this is the General's car. One-star General here.
Maybe in the future.
Very sweet. We're out of the sun now. Rickshaws out of Riverside, 4-door. Look at this thing. Wow, looks like the book is gone, but it is a 41. Super, super cool. Love it. Wow. One more look inside here. This is that 41 General's car. Very cool. Running moons on it. That is my year right here. 1960. Year I was born. Flames on it. 4-door. Fleetwood.
He's right now in the mode that he is in his training.
Sick. Oh, it's a hardtop too. Frankenberry's. Oh, I remember this car from last year. Look at that. I believe it's got factory air in it. Fold down armrests. Really a gorgeous car. As you can see, there's that 60 tail, bottom and top fins. Those went away in 64 basically. I don't remember the 63 had the bottoms on them or not. See this one here. We got a 5.6. 4-door DeVille. She's shaved. Don't see a lot of engines here, so it's always nice. Look at the top here. It's purple. Looks like a wrap almost. All the piping. Dash has been worked in the same color, offset. Nice tuck and roll. Cadillac Kings.
Yeah, if you're cool with it, then I'd always
Radiator.
I've got your defections. I mean, Louis is not here right now, but he was in
Nice. 66. Hey, I got it right. I feel good now. That's a 65. 41 sounds pretty clammy. Getting ready to roll out. Man, that thing's a beast. What a sweetie. General car. Walking out the rest of the picnic here. here. Again, sorry for getting here so late, you guys. Beautiful 65 right here. Look at this, pristine. I'm gonna get around on this side because I've got a battery hanging off my side and everything. I don't want to get too close to cars here. Again, an original interior car, almost perfection. Look at this, just insane. Wow, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wide whites on it. What's he running? Take a look at these wheels. Supreme, baby. Hey. Shot angle here. 65. Right next to it. Looking like another 65. Sure is. Shaved, all red. Vinyl interior, reworked. Look at this thing. Wheel wells are cut. Laid out. Ooh. Little LS conversion here. A little tight, but made everything work. Looking like LS3. Look at that, right on the fenders. All right, let's finish her up. Here's a 60. Stock is a box of rocks, except for that champion radiator. Factory air conditioning. Love the hubcaps. That was good food on me. Look at this interior. Now that smells fresh and new. Who's to say? It could be completely original for all we know. The paint looks original. Yeah. It's got some nicks and dings in it. I have a feeling this car is all original, and I was wrong. It's a... Oh, it is a 60. It's a 61 that are the laydowns. Ah. There we go. One more here. That looks like 70. Heading out. Yeah, I'm a little rusty on my years, 72. But yeah, that's it here. This is Cadillac Kings All Chapter BBQ. Patrick, BCTV. And we're out. Have a great day.